Good morning to you all. Hope you all had a lovely weekend and managed to get out in the sun. It was great to follow all your achievements last week and hear about the fantastic work and activities that you've completed. I'm looking forward to another fantastic week full of tweets, achievements and rewards. We'll start by reflecting on last week's challenges, and these were set by Miss Butler. I hope you were all able to sit back and reflect on any worries that you had, and to put into place the steps that you need to overcome these, whether that's through support at home or through support by using the email addresses included at the end of the PowerPoint. So to how many others were you able to pass on your positivity or complete a task that had a positive impact on others? Make sure you continue to stay positive and continue to spread positivity. Today's challenge on the active coping calendar is to take a small step towards an important goal. Whether that's a personal goal or whether that's an academic goal, you pick the goal that you want to achieve and think, what step can you take to get you closer to achieving that goal? For some of you, that might be regarding your post-16 or your post-18 destinations. So have a look at all the information that has been sent out to you with regards to this, whether it's about completing those bridging booklets, those online courses, all those activities that you can complete to put yourself one step closer to the destination of your choice. What a fantastic week you all had with regards to reward points last week. Have a look at the leaderboard. Well done to all the students who have made it onto the leaderboard. A huge well done to Libby in Year 7, who has the top points for the whole school this week. What a fantastic achievement. Alexander, Year 10, you were nearly there. Maybe a little bit more of a push and you could make it to the top, or it could be somebody else. Also a big well done to AT for securing the most points during spring term 2. Well done guys, keep working hard and let's see if you can earn lots more points this week and find yourself on the leaderboard next week. Today I want to share a little bit of work about encouragement. What does encouragement mean to you? In an online dictionary, it's defined as the action of giving someone support, confidence or hope. It's the action of cheering someone up, uplifting them. By encouraging others, we are giving them courage. We are scaffolding others' self-esteem and belief in themselves as being able to keep going and to slog on through these difficult times. Runners of marathons often say that it's the encouragement and the cheers from the crowd that keep them going even when it's hard. By giving encouragement, we embolden and empower them to know that they are doing a good job, or that their efforts are right and appreciated. Think how crushed the winner of a race would be if they weren't congratulated for doing such a good job and for winning, if there was no encouragement, no uplifting words, just the expectation that they should have won and actually they could have done better. Everyone thrives on praise and are being told that they are doing a good job, that they are good at something. So always make sure you look at what are you good at, what are your friends, what are your peers good at. Who doesn't like to get a smiley face or a positive comment or some reward points? I'm sure you all like those little bits of praise. Why is it then that most of the time the first thing we say is a negative word or a criticism? If you include your own self-talk, then I have no doubt that you are your own harshest critic. Why so often when we are given compliments do we simply shrug these off and find something negative to say about ourselves or something negative about our performance? Words of affirmation and encouragement are so important in the way that we speak to ourselves, but also in the way that we talk to others. So your task for today and moving forwards is to talk nicely to yourself and to encourage yourself and praise yourself for all that you've achieved. When you get a test result back and it's not a high grade or not the grade that you wanted, don't think, I'm no good at this, I should have got a better grade. Try to think of something positive. Remember, there may be someone else who is not capable of getting the grade that you've got. Always encourage your friends and your peers. Always look at what you've achieved. Try to encourage your siblings, if you can, or even tell your parents what a good job they're doing, especially now whilst they juggle work and home. Try to catch those negative thoughts before they cause you to spiral into a day of negativity. Encourage each other because encouragement raises self-esteem, confidence, and determination. So, what are today's challenges? The first challenge, I want you to see who you can encourage today. Send a message of encouragement to someone today. Provide support, hope, or build their confidence. For your second challenge, I would like you to take part, where possible, in the 2.6 challenge. As you're probably aware, the 2.6 challenge has replaced the marathon this year. So this is an opportunity to raise money from the comfort of your own home. So if possible, look online and find out how you can get involved. And if you do decide to get involved, let us know what you're doing. Tweet your challenge and don't forget to use the hashtag 2.6 challenge. And finally, I would like you to look at your heads of house team and get involved with the challenges and activities that they are setting. Tweet your head of house with one of your many achievements this week and let them know what you've been up to. So don't forget, whether you're a sapphire, an opal, a ruby or an emerald, your heads of house are there to help celebrate your successes as well as support you with achieving your goals. Hope you all have a great day working hard in all lessons and encouraging those around you. As well as looking at your subject teams and participating in lessons, make sure you look at all the opportunities and activities shared through your year group team and your house team. I'm also looking forward to our first happiness hour today. Make sure you get involved and take another step towards happier living. Stay safe, enjoy your day, and make sure you email the following people if you do need any support today.